Well, it's a lovely early morning here in Portland. I'm over at VanWorks to get the extra windows fitted, so we should have the one just behind the sliding door fitted and the two tiny sliding ones at the back. It's going to take a little bit of time because of the bracing that's inside where the small windows are going. That needs chopping out and then the windows fitting. So surprisingly, although the windows are smaller, it actually takes longer to fit them. But let's see how we get on.
This video is sponsored by Squarespace, but more on that later.
Fresh chip off the block. Watch my head spin. I got awkward thoughts and a neck twitch. I fall off the knot, then I get up. I'm this slot to watch. That's a Netflix. I stop with the pot. Got my head stripped, but mama kept singing. Better save that noodle, cause I kept drawing on the same old doodle. Mine got lost inside of all this pseudo. I play golf now, so I'm a white poodle. So we
have a big hole in the side again. Looks good though. Maybe just leave it like that. There's some ventilation.
Little dance, smile for the camera. Don't get caught up inside the damage. Bring a little joy. Find some quirky friends that you think could stand you. Life's hard with two hands to handle. Break out of the norm. Life is pretty boring when there's nothing random. Loop-de-loops isn't the answer. Everybody gorgeous, every day important. Everything is glamorous when there's honest inside your hand. Got a severe fear of judgment, but not as much lately. Ate a bowl full of wash it down with some crazy.
Well, as it's early, I'm going to go and get some breakfast, but now is probably a good time to hear from this video sponsor, Squarespace.
Squarespace is an all-in-one website design and web building tool that makes it so simple to build a website, even Bentley could do it. You can choose from loads of different website templates that you then customise to fit your own personal style and needs. For example, you can easily create interactive member areas, blogs, online shops, or just a place to connect your social media accounts. It's an amazing tool for whatever you want to create online. So head on over to squarespace.com and use code ABusAndBeyond, or use our link in the description below. That will give you a free trial and 10% off any products that you choose to buy.
Too busy eating breakfast. That window's already gone in. The speed that these guys work, there's no way I'd be able to do them this quickly. And please, I'm getting these to do them. Well, what a gorgeous day it is now. It's lovely and sunny and nice and warm. And the windows are complete. They are all in now, thankfully. We've got obviously the two big windows, as you can see behind me, and then the two little windows, one either side, and then another big window around the front as well. But what do you think? It looks properly cool. I just love how much light we get inside now. These will be great next to the bed. You've got one either side. And then this window here is enormous. That is so good. Especially with that in front of it, you know, the visibility all the way around is lovely, especially with the roof light above as well. Very smart. So I'd just like to say a huge thank you to Camper Glass. If you're after some glass for your camper, make sure you check out the link in the description below, where you can order huge windows like this and tiny windows like this one. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Do you think it looks awesome? And make sure you stay subscribed, because we've got loads more of this van build coming very, very soon. Cheers!
you.